So, yeah. Stuff.
Put 2 feet in there.
Hair.
Look at that.
It's
Damn.
Mine. It's not mine.
Look at that.
I don't see anything because it's all hair.
It's closed up.
Let me guess. We're not gonna reuse this.
Huh?
We're not gonna reuse this.
No.
Oh, look at my pants already.
That would be a very slow drain. Alrighty, so we're a couple hours in this morning. Blue bathtub is gone. We've got new shutoff valves over here. We've extended supply there, and we've got all the debris on the truck. We're gonna go tie it down and put on our green jacket, and we're going to the dump, and then we're gonna go pick up the floor tile, the cement board, the drywall, the bathtub, all those good things we need to get this thing put back together. Man, we rocking and rolling. All right, so it's been a busy day here working on this. Doesn't look like we've got a lot done, but having the bathtub taken out has been great. And now what we're working on is we're working on framing and raising this up. We've got this level with the drywall right here. I've got this squared away. We're going to need to get a box for the light fixture that's going to go up here in the ceiling. And I'm finishing up here with the rest of this framing. Now, because this has this on here, they're trying to seal up the closet and things. We're going to continue with the underlayment right there, and then we're going to end up putting our cement board right on top of that. We've got green board to go up on the ceiling. And what we're going to do is over here, this is one of those things that they tried to use all the space that they had. Closets back in the day in old houses, there weren't a lot of closet space. So they took closet here to put the bathtub in there to make the bathroom bigger. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna basically drywall up inside of there. This will be drywalled over top of it, so it'll be a false wall when you open up the door, but you will be able to store stuff there. And we're gonna drywall inside of here to make it look a little bit better than what it does. And we can tell that the bathtub used to be here because that used to be where you would get to the access for the bathtub itself. I was suggesting that we put that back, the bathtub back there for her, and then put a big vanity here, but she decided that she liked having the bathtub here, and she's gonna get a piece of furniture to go on this wall. And we've got another 4-foot vanity to go back in there. Actually, it makes my life a little bit easier. But you can see how this is getting dressed up. Now, one problem, we special ordered the bathtub for here. And unfortunately, and we also purchased we special ordered the vanity, and we had an extra deep bathtub that was there. We paid for that, but we were going to pick it back up when we picked up the vanity. Unfortunately, they're saying, oh, it's gone. What do you mean it's gone? We paid for it. Oh boy. So here's what we did. We use mold resistant drywall up here because it is a shower, so it will get moisture. So you can see where the old shower ended right there. So we ended up putting, another piece of Luan up here in place to keep this even. And then we'll put the tile backer right on top of all this. We framed up the wall over here so that way we carry it all up there. We've got our junction box right here because we had to extend. It's in the center of where the tub will be, our light fixture. The tub is 30 inches total, so that'll be right there in the middle. And we've got the framing up here for the closet. And of course we got that bathtub out, so feel pretty good about that. Tomorrow we'll finish we'll set the tub in here, and then we'll do the shower device, and then we'll go through and we'll get the cement board up on here, and we'll take the toilet downstairs. We'll get that up out of here because this is a new toilet, as opposed to the one that's downstairs, which is an original toilet. What we'll do is we will just change those out. We'll take the other one to the dump. But after pounding away at the bathtub, and then has to go down that hallway, down that steps, across the front porch, and then down another 6 steps into the truck. My old ass is whooped, so forgive me. I feel good about where we are, considering we just started this yesterday about 2 o'clock. I know it's not, like you always see on TV, 1 day bathroom. Well, they end up putting shit right on top of the other stuff. And see, that's one of those things that kind of bugs me when you have them go over top, back fitters. Excuse me, I'm not trying to bash bath fitters. But if you've got a mold-ridden bathroom, tile coming off the wall, you're just going to put something over top of it? No, that doesn't do it for me. It'll look good. It'll look good, especially if you're going to go, I guess, and sell it, but then you're leaving the problem for somebody else. One other thing we've got to do, too, because I'm looking, they've gone through here. For the most part, this floor is nice and stable. They've got there's no movement in here. There's plenty of, what you always want to do when you do tile is you want to have 1.25 inch minimum sub base. And you want it to be glued and screwed and locked in. This floor is sturdy, doesn't have any movement in it. The only thing is as I look at this, where the bathtub sits, it's kind of high in that corner and it kind of comes downhill. So we're going to need to use some of the Luan and stuff and level this out a little bit before we set the bathtub in. That way we know we've got the right fall and it doesn't look like it's going downhill. So we're getting here. By tomorrow we should have the bathtub set, the plumbing done for it, the cement board put on here, and maybe start setting some of the tiles. Now we're going to be doing the floor tiles, of course. I asked her because all the floor wood goes long ways this way, but we're going to go crossways with this. And so we'll be using the bathtub as our straight edge, and this piece will be cut, and we'll put a threshold on it to make it okay, good people. This is day 2, and that's a wrap. I'm Mark Holmes, and I appreciate you guys. Peace.